Let's go ahead and install our lens protector for my Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. I just opened up the cleaning kit. Within it is a soft microfiber cloth. I'm going to start off by cleaning all of the lenses. Got 5 lenses on this camera, and of course this is my favorite part and probably most people's favorite part, and the reason why they continue to buy the Samsung Galaxy phones is for the camera. Now this is important to make sure you are getting it on the right start. Now it comes with 2 of these. You'll probably only need 1, but you've got 2. This is the dust absorber. This is just essentially a sticker just to, after you've cleaned the lens, to make sure that there is no more dust. Even just moving around, talking, whatever, dust can be moving around. And then we are going to put this piece on here. So we're going to start by removing this backing, and that will all come out. And then we are going to put this on here, and it's super easy to line up. There's only one way to put it on. It can only be perfectly aligned. That's the only way to do it. You're going to want to press on all of them for about 3 seconds. I like to apply a little bit of pressure and then also move it around just to make sure it is going to fully adhere to the lens itself. And so the little one might use a smaller finger. Even comes with this tool, which you can use to help remove it, or if you have bigger fingers, you can even use this to help push it. But I would definitely make sure to use your finger because it's going to have a little bit more ability to really get good pressure on all of these. So I've been doing this for more than 3 seconds per, but I just really want to make sure that it's on there well. And we're going to remove it, and just like that, all 5 have just been perfectly adhered to the camera, and I still have perfect quality of my camera. It hasn't changed anything. So this is just really a absolutely beautiful way to make sure that your lenses are going to be protected and keeping your phone in a mint condition. Highly recommend it. Thank you to the brand for providing this for me.